Oh shit, it's not pretty hard now, oh my god! So I am in the i8 BMW convertible, the only one in the country, and it's pissing with rain outside. This is the 59-second review of the i8 Roadster. My time starts now.
i8 pushes out 275 kilowatts from the 3-cylinder turbo-electric engine. The petrol engine powers the rear wheels and the electric motor powers the front. i8 has two gearboxes, one 6-speed and one 2-speed, and can use as little as 2 liters per 100 kilometers.
Okay, 0 to 100 comes up in 4.6 seconds thanks to an electric motor up front.
It can drop the roof at up to 50 kilometers an hour, and even with the roof down, the car is still waterproof.
And it is raining outside, the roof is down. And
we're not getting wet!
We're not getting wet! This is, oh shit, it's not pretty hard now, oh my god!
I'm still not getting wet.
I'm still not getting wet.
Top speed is governed to 250, and i8 can drive up to 55 kilometers on electricity only. But is it a real sports car?
Whoever said that these hybrid cars can't be real sports cars, they're lying. But this car does feel good here. And at the moment, in these conditions, I'm glad I'm not driving an M3. So that's it for me and the i8. My time stops now. If I can figure out how to open these doors. Yeah, are we clear that side? Clear. There we go.
No!